Hey, welcome to a new video. Have you ever thought about the scary things that could happen while driving in your car? Nowadays, many people have installed dash cams that can capture all sorts of unexpected events. But what about people who have seen certain creatures while sitting in their cars? Today we'll show you 5 gigantic creatures that have been captured on dash cam. Are you new to this channel? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And before we start, also like the video. Number 5, a catering ceremony and alarming incident was captured on dash cam in a remote location, leaving many viewers uneasy. You might think this is a scene from a horror movie, but according to the person in the car, that wasn't the case. In the video, we see a 4-legged creature running at full speed towards the car and jumping on top of it. The man in the car was scared and realized that he could be in danger. The creature moved on all fours in a way of walking that eerily resembled that of a chimpanzee. But to this day, it remains unclear what kind of creature it was. This encounter highlights a deep-rooted fear that many people have of creatures that are a mix of human and animal features. This fear is known as synanthropy. What do you believe this man captured on dash cam with this monster? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. It's already scary enough to see a strange pale creature in the grass at night, but it gets even scarier when it jumps at you. This mysterious video has caused speculation and fear in the area. The video shows a strange, pale creature quickly catching the person's attention before rushing towards the car. Initially, it was thought to be a giant deer, but the sudden movement and strange appearance left viewers wondering what it really was. One theory is that it could be a skinwalker, a creature that can shape-shift and appears in Navajo legends. According to Navajo folklore, a skinwalker has the ability to transform themselves into any animal they desire and have a malevolent intention towards humans. Although many reject the idea of skinwalkers as superstition, some believe that these creatures still exist and still perform dark magic. Skinwalker stories have been passed down from generation to generation among the Navajo, and many believe that even mentioning their name can bring bad luck or reveal their presence. Do you believe that this person actually captured a skinwalker on their dash cam? Or what else could this creature have been? Number 3, when people first saw this next dashcam footage, they thought it was just an ordinary moose. But when someone decided to analyze the video, they were horrified. From the woods, a creepy and faceless creature appears to emerge. It crouches low to the ground, pale in color, and appears to be stalking an animal. People compare this mysterious creature to the rake, a creature said to have a pale face and prefers crouching and walking on all fours. This creature is often depicted as being able to move with incredible speed and agility and enjoys hunting at night. The legend of the rake began in 2006 when online posts began circulating on internet forums about alleged sightings of this creature. Believe it or not, there have been numerous sightings and reports of the rake over the years, many of which were attributed to sleep paralysis or vivid nightmares. What do you think we're seeing in this video footage? Could it be the legendary creature of the rake, or is it something else? Number 2, this is the last thing you want to experience while driving at night, seeing a dark, shadowy figure crossing the road in front of you. This happens in the United States, in Maine, a place where Stephen King based most of his novels on. Chet Cook was the driver and vividly remembers his hair standing on end when he reviewed his dashcam footage. The video footage speaks for itself, showing a shadowy figure running across the street. The area where this happened is notorious for a number of nearby cemeteries. Some people speculate that there may have been a connection between paranormal activity and spirits. Although there's no definitive evidence that the cemetery is a hotspot for paranormal activity, many people wonder what kind of creature is crossing the road there. Similar sightings have been reported in other places, including the Bering Point Cemetery in Salem, Massachusetts. This place is said to be plagued by multiple ghosts. Colonial Park Cemetery in Savannah, Georgia is another location known for its spooky residents and people claiming to have seen strange, shadowy creatures. Number 1, the following dashcam footage from a police car is one of the earliest and most credible Bigfoot sightings captured on camera. This happened somewhere in Georgia, USA, deep in the night. Many people have analyzed the video and believe that this could actually be a Bigfoot crossing the road. Fortunately for the officer, the creature only crossed the road and he did not come face to face with it. A group of miners claimed they were attacked by several large, hairy creatures. The miners reported that the creatures threw rocks at their cabin and tried to break into their homes. While some skeptics had dismissed their story as a hoax, others believed that this could be evidence of a Bigfoot aggression. Other people who claim to have had encounters with Bigfoot say that it's a shy creature. Some Bigfoot creatures are convinced that the creature mostly just wants to be left alone, and any aggressive behavior could be caused by people encroaching on its territory. Have you ever seen a creature while driving a car? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.